When using your iPhone to access the daily screener in Light, open Safari and type light.risd.org into the address bar. You may be asked to log in to Light, and you'll use your RISD email and computer password to log in. Be sure to check the Stay Logged In option. At the screener, please read the questions carefully before answering. Please note that we are looking for new or unexpected symptoms. Touch the Yes button to change to No as appropriate. Touch either On-Site or Home to note where your temperature was taken, and then enter the reading in the response box. Click Done. You should now see a blue box. Click the box stating that your information is true and correct. Note the instructions to contact HR and your supervisor immediately if you test positive for COVID-19. After certifying that your information is correct at the blue box, touch the appropriate box for a reason for entering the building. Click in the Please Select Location box and then scroll through the list below to find the building you will enter. Click Done. Click the Check-in box to check into the chosen building. If your answers to the screening questions were no and your temperature is within the acceptable range, your phone screen will turn green and the name of the building, date, and time checked in will show. Show your screen to the person monitoring people entering the building. If answering the screening questions you get a red box, you will be asked to answer some more questions. Please follow the instructions given. Do not enter the building. If you made a mistake when answering the screener questions, you can speak to the building monitor about resetting your information and entering it again. When going to another building, please check out and then check into the building you will enter next. Remember to check out at the end of each day. To save the daily screener to your phone's home screen, first navigate to it by typing light.risd.org into the Safari browser. Once there, click the Share button, usually at the bottom of the screen, a box with an up arrow. Scroll down to Add to Home Screen, touch Add, then check the home screen to see that it has been added and that it is working properly.